Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to cover a quick and easy tutorial on how to deposit funds into your MEXEM trading account. First step is to log into your client portal. Once you've logged into your home page, you can see here on the left hand side we've got three options highlighted in blue: deposit, withdraw and more. We want to deposit some funds, so we're going to click on the deposit button on the left. And you can see this has opened up the next page. Firstly, we're going to select the currency we'd like to make a deposit in, simply by clicking on the drop-down arrow on the right-hand side here. It gives me all the different options of all the different currencies. And then underneath, you've got different methods of making your deposit: a transfer from a Wise balance, or a bank transfer, SEPA, which is the preferred option. So we're going to go with SEPA. And you can see here on the right hand side, there's a Get Instructions tab, which I'm going to click on now. And this is where we're going to enter our information. Firstly, you get the option to save the bank information at the top here, simply by clicking on yes or no. Send an institution underneath, which is going to be your bank or whichever institution it may be you're depositing your funds from. Underneath that is your account number, which is optional. And underneath that, you can see here, we've got the option to enter an account nickname. Basically creates a template. So if you was to deposit from different banks or institutions, you could set a template for each one. And then the next time you come to deposit funds, it saves you having to re-enter all the information every time. Below that, you can see here is where we enter the amount we'd like to deposit. We're going to go 5,000 euros. Once you've entered the amount you're looking to deposit, underneath here, you can see we've got the option to make this a recurring transaction. If you wanted to do so, simply click on the box to the left-hand side, and underneath here, you can enter the details of your recurring transaction you'd like to create. You can name it at the top here, the frequency you'd like it to occur. Just by clicking on the drop-down arrow on the right-hand side there, I can choose the frequency, either monthly, quarterly, or annually. And then you've got a start and end date option you can enter along the bottom here. Start date on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side is an end date that you can leave blank if you don't want to set an end date, and your recurring transaction will just continue until you cancel it. We're going to take that off. And once we've entered our amount and all our details above, you can see here in the bottom right-hand corner, Get Transfer Instructions, highlighted in blue, which I'm going to click on now. And you can see here, we've got all the information we've entered, how much we're going to deposit, beneficiary account here, IBAN number, SWIFT code, and then at the bottom here, got your account number and your name, ensuring these are correct to make sure we're depositing funds into the correct account. Once you've double checked everything and you're happy with all the details, you can see in the bottom right hand corner, we've got the finish button highlighted in blue, which I'm going to click on now. And there you have it. We've basically successfully deposited money into a MEXEM trading account. Quite a simple and easy process. Always keep in mind, processing times when you're depositing funds may vary depending on your chosen deposit method. And that wraps up the tutorial for today. I hope you found it helpful. Happy investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.